Ow! Amy! Fuck! Ow! My hand's stuck! In the blender hole! The blade slipped my fingers or some shit! Ah! Fuck! Get some there! Oh! Ah!
How the fuck did you do that? What the fuck is wrong with
I was trying to make something. Fuck
Whoa,
no! I didn't think I was gonna do
fucking
that.
Christ.
Jesus Christ!
You're a
Put
fucking
pressure or something. Fucking hurts, man.
Oh my fucking god. How much you're bleeding, you fucking
Split.
shit.
Oh, it's just a feeling. It's not blood, man.
What the fuck? It's cut. We've done that to it. What is this cut, bro?
See what I put my fingers in some shit. Don't call the ambulance.
Why? What do you mean?
Hey, any bullshit. You just put pressure on it or
I've
something.
got fucking pressure on it. What else am I going to do?
Get some. Do we run water under it or some shit? Fuck, it's just.
Where?
Hey, it's on the fingers, man. You split my fingers.
There is no cut.
Yes, it is. It's just a fucking.
What do you say? That's pretty good, eh? I wonder why it smells like tomato sauce, bro.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I had to do that. Look at my hands, guys.